Well, good morning and welcome to another Dynodaze YouTube video, and here you can see a very actual red EP3 Honda Civic TypeR in the house, and today it's having an ECU exchange and a map. So we'll get it up on the dyno, do a couple of standard pulls, do an ECU exchange and make some noises. The mandate is some flames, so we shall certainly get them, I'm hoping. Okay, so she's made it up onto the dyno and it's got some parts. It's got a bit of a mix match of exhaust parts, but we'll go through those at the end. But just looking at the engine bay, this could benefit from an Uncle Keith's Candy Red rocker cover. I shall try and convince the customer of that a bit later on. Bit of a homebrew induction kit, but looks good enough to me. Nice size filter, and obviously the Skunk2 Ultra. So stock power run, here we go. I am surprised by how red this car is. So yeah, beautiful. Press record. Very red, actually. I've said that at the start of the video. It's actually a nice red EP3, and you don't see them often. They're usually very pinkish or lacquer peeled.
Yeah.
But this one looks actually really nice. It's got some red bits in the interior. Not my cup of tea, but you know.
Matches the seats though, doesn't it?
It does match the seats. Yeah, so that mapped up pretty well, didn't it, Richard?
It did, yeah. Came in. I mean, it made strong power sort of off the get-go, didn't it, really? Like you say, these sort of respond in two ways, really. They either put a load of mods on and then they're sort of down a little bit on power because obviously the map is not correct, or sometimes you put the mods on and they'll sort of make strong power with the mods on, and then obviously a tune obviously complements that.
I mean, this has got some
good
bits.
What did we start? Around 222? Yeah, 222, somewhere around there, I think we started. Which was obviously really good. It made strong power in its form. We've got a Skunk2 Ultra Series Manifold. We've got a homebrew induction kit, but a nice big induction kit with a big filter. It's got a Tegiwa 4:1 and the Tegiwa 70mm exhaust.
Thank you, Johnny.
It does sound quite loud to me, like
it's well loud,
like it's dropped a baffle or something to me. To be honest, unless someone's took the midsection out of it.
The title of this video is probably Very Loud EP3.
Yeah, Very Loud EP3. So it does sound quite loud, to be fair. Not that that necessarily affects power or anything. It's just, it seems normally Tegiwa 70mm is quite. It's a nice sound. It's a deep tone.
Yeah.
This is.
We do really like the Tegiwa.
Yeah, this is quite loud and raspy. So whether it's lost the silencer or something, or it's been removed or whatever, I don't know.
It certainly made some noise after you stuck some flames out of it, didn't it?
Yeah. But we made power everywhere, basically. We made some power down low.
50 at 6,000 RPM, 50 brake horsepower.
50 brake horsepower in the mid-range.
That'll transform it.
And we finished on, what did we finish on? 238? 237?
237.
Yeah, finished on 237.
A good result.
A really good result. You know, a nice linear curve. Pulls all the way to the red line. Looks really great. A nice complement of mods.
Yeah. Really happy with it.
No, I'm happy with it. Yeah, come out really well. Like I say, these always respond better than the FN2s, don't they? Or they're always more rewarding.
Rewarding,
yeah.
Look at the graph.
Yeah, let's have a look at this graph.
Let's do it.
Well, as we always say, red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. And yes, power from the get-go there. Extended the rev limit out to 8.6, which is safe to do so. Lowered the vtec somewhat. 50 brake horsepower made in the mid range there. We finish on 237 brake horsepower, which is 195 at the wheels. So there we go. Code word for this one. We're going old school. We're just going to say Tegiwa for the code word. Let's bang that in there. Let's make Johnny proud, and we'll see you all on the next one, won't we, lads? We will indeed.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.